Hello guys, right now I'm changing my thermostat for my 97 Dodge Dakota 5.2 liters. There's a thermostat here. That's a brand new one, so I cleaned up already. I cleaned up this hole before I put this brand new thermostat in order to get more access like what I did. So I took the brackets here. This is the brackets holding the alternator. So that's what you do. Tie it here. Just put your compressor here. Don't take up the nozzle here. The compressor. Just take the bolt out and swing it to the left side. And yeah, I clean it, sand it a little bit. And here is the housing for the thermostat. I sanded it because it was rusty, and I painted it with a high temperature plastic coat, and I stick the gasket in there, so it's now ready to put in. I'm gonna blow it. Make sure but here I spray some from the bottom side of the gasket, mounting to the engine. I spray with the gasket, spray gasket thing in order to stick in there. And the brand new gasket, there's a 2 tape here. You have to take it up and stick it to the housing like that. It won't fill up. So it's now ready to put in. Make sure this one facing upside. Bottom one is going down there. I put 195 degrees Fahrenheit. I did a changing of this thermostat at the first time. I put the 180 degrees Fahrenheit, but I don't know if there's a faulty of the thermostat I did before, because my temperature, the sending unit here sends only like low temperature to my dash there, so I'm not enough warm on my engine. My engine is not too warm. It should be in the gauge there, should be in the half, the center gauge. So mine is only like 1/4 below. So and when I run the vehicle, it's too rough, and I can't go 100 km/h. I just stay with 80 because when I go up high more than that, my engine revs up to 2,500 RPM, which is usually only 2,000, below 2,000, especially in the cold weather, -30, -20, -30, -40. So I'm hoping this the solution, maybe this thermostat is good now, and hopefully this one works. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put this one. Make sure it stays there. Two bolts. You can interchange this one. This tab here says this one's facing to the front, so you can't go wrong with that. I'll tighten this one 23 Newton meter. Right there. That's good. So here I'm putting it back the bracket that holds the alternator. So there are 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put the clamp back on. Same place. Okay, I put it all back together. I'm just gonna start the engine. Let's see if there's no leak. But I'm gonna start the engine. I'm gonna put some coolant a little bit, because we took some coolant before we put the thermostat. The radiator is full, so we can start the motor. So I leave that cap open here so that when the engine reach to the highest temperature, the thermostat will open and you can see that coolant will flow. You can see the flow of coolant there once the thermostat will open. Right now the thermostat is closed. So I left up the vehicle. There's some air in the system during the time we put the thermostat back in, the brand new thermostat. So there should be air somewhere in the system. So the reason why I left the vehicle so that the upper part of the radiator here should be in the highest level so that the air will come out of the system once the engine runs. Okay, I'm gonna start the engine. So right now, still warming up the motor. So let's wait with the thermostat reach to the temperature 195 degrees Fahrenheit and the thermostat will gonna open. So everything here is okay. The engine is still warming up. So far there's no leak on the system. So far I didn't see any leak there. See the bottom. There's no leak, so that's good. What's this? I'm gonna put it high. So it's a way different than it was. Go there. That's way better. Once I run this outside, it should go up in the center. So I think my thermostat is working now. Oh. See that there? Both here, I think. Some air there, system. Alright, here it's hot, so my thermostat is working good. So look at that, it drips down. See? So it moves down. I think it's my thermostat opens now. See that? Goes down now. Right on. So now we know that the thermostat is working. You can still see some little bit bubbles here. I think it's good. It's hot in here on the top. See when I squeeze here.
Hope it helps you. I'm ready to wrap.